Hello, and thanks for watching this installment of Vocality Learning presented by Neil Nystrom. Today I will demonstrate how to use the audio port configuration wizard on the Vocality RoIP. The Vocality RoIP is a radio over IP gateway used to connect push-to-talk radios with smartphones. In this video, you will learn how to initiate the audio port configuration wizard, adjust the input audio settings, adjust the output audio settings, and exit the wizard. Log into the Vocality RoIP and browse to Audio Port 1. Make sure your donor radio is connected to port 1 and powered on. You will also need a test radio set to the same frequency as your donor radio. Select the blue Audio Port Configuration Wizard button to begin the process. If you wish to change the name of the display, please do it now. When you're ready to begin the test, click Next. We will now set the input levels for the Vocality RoIP. Click Start when you are ready. Follow the prompts. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then click OK. We will now move on to the output. Select play and listen to the audio on the radio. Use the slider or higher and lower buttons to adjust output to an appropriate level. The audio will loop several times while adjustments are being made. I will now demonstrate.
Plans are well underway for races to Mars and the Moon in 1992 by solar sail. The race to Mars is to commemorate Columbus's journey to the New World 500 years ago, and the one for the Moon is to promote the use of solar sails in space exploration. Plans are well underway.
Click Next when the level sounds acceptable for your environment. Please note, you may need to also adjust the volume knob on the radio. The review screen will show the final port settings. Click Finish to close the wizard. You've now successfully adjusted the audio levels on port 1. If further adjustments are required later, the wizard can be run again. Please consult the Vocality RoIP configuration guide or manuals for further details and procedures. If you need technical support, please visit support.vocality.com.